Solid Roof has transformed our old conservatory into a brand new living space by really getting rid of the old, too cold in the winter, too hot in the summer, UPVC conservatory we used to have into a really flexible, modern space. One of the things that was really important was making sure the new design was going to be able to stand up to adverse weather, considerations like heavy rainfall, heavy snowfall. We've now got a room we can use all year round. During the day we can use it for breakfast, use it for lunch, through into the evening where it becomes more of a chill out room to relax and watch movies in as well. The new conservatory doesn't really feel like a conservatory, it feels more like a new room. In the summer we've got a great connection to the garden, and in the winter you don't need to layer up. It's a very solid construction, it's got the pelmet all the way around as well, which is full of insulation, and it's got the nice downlighters in it. One of the things we considered as part of the design was the amount of glass in the roof, and we didn't want too much that it was overwhelming. So being able to pick and choose exactly which panels we could have as glass was really great. We were really impressed by how quickly the new conservatory was constructed. It was incredible watching the new frames go up and the roof go up. The old conservatory came down and was away in a day, and the new conservatory, most of the framework was done in a couple of days. It was absolutely phenomenal.